Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to create through edge construction axis. This axis will be created when we select the reference edge. So we are going to create the body like this by using the through edge construction axis as the mirror plane to create the hole on both sides of the body. Click Item Manager. Press Ctrl+A to select all the items and then click Delete. Click the front face of the view cube. Now I draw the sketch. After creating the sketch, I apply the constraint and define the dimensions to sketch. I will mirror the sketch to create the other part of sketch. I will trim the segment of the sketch. After creating the completely sketch, I will extrude the sketch to 40 mm. I am going to create a circle on the one side of the body, and the dimensions also will be defined. Now it is time to create a construction axis to use a mirror plane. Click Add. Click Construction Axis. Click Construction Type. Click Through Edge. Click the edge of the body to set up as the reference for creating the axis. I define this edge as the reference. Click to select it. Click Done. The axis is created. Click to select the axis. Move to the middle of the body by defining the distance 20 mm. Click to select the transform. Click Mirror. Click to select the circle. Click the axis. Click Done. And then we will create the holes by using extrusion. The holes are created. We are going to create 2 more holes on the other side of the body by using a mirror. But first we have to create an axis in half of the body. To use as the mirror plane, click Add. Click Construction Axis. Click Construction Axis Type. Click Through Edge. Click this edge of the body to use as the reference. The axis is created, so we have to move to the middle of the body by defining the dimension to 20 mm. Click Transform. Click Mirror. Click to select the two holes. Click the axis. Click Done. Two more holes are created to the other side of the body.